PSP Form sheet is a new type packing material with the features of shockproof, sound insulation, heat preservation, dampproof, safety, sanitation and good plasticity. It is used widely in the packing of food, fruit, electronic product commodity, daily necessities, hardware product, advertisement board, etc. The machine applies to raw materials of polystyrene foam, does not apply to other plastic foam materials. Under the hopper, connecting a cooling water jacket at the screw tube. The function of the cooling water jacket is cooling the temperature of feed open, making the material not melt at once to re-enter the screw tube to make sure feed open passage clear. It needs to be kept a certain temperature in this position, approx 100摄氏度. The inlet water valve of cooling water jacket can't open too big. If not, the temperature will too low in this position. If so, the screw tube will rub the screw and cause a noise. New machine cause this sound is normal phenomenon. After running in some time, this phenomenon will disappear automatically.